So if you're involved in an accident and you're not sure what to do, call us, call a lawyer. The call doesn't cost you anything. We'll ask you some questions, we'll find out what happened, and then together we can determine what your rights are, and then you can figure out what you want to do. But if you decide not to pursue it, or if it's something that's just not worth pursuing, you haven't lost anything, because the call and the consultation, it costs you nothing.
The first thing you should do is take pictures of your vehicle and the locations of both vehicles, because sometimes you have to move the vehicle because there's traffic and you don't want to block traffic, but by the time the police officers show up, the defendant might say a different story. If your cars are connected to each other and the other vehicle is clearly in your lane, you take a picture, you have that picture. Later on, the defendant might tell the police officer that you went into his lane. Second thing is, if you're injured, a good thing to do is go straight to the hospital. If you're not injured, you don't have to go to the hospital right away. A lot of times what happens is, because of the adrenaline, people don't feel injured. The next day is when they wake up, and that's when they feel bad. And there's nothing that says you can't go to the hospital the next day, or you can't go to the doctor the next day. As soon as you don't feel well, that's when you should go to the doctor. If there are witnesses, you of course should get witnesses at the scene. We have cases where, unfortunately, people give the license plate. There's a witness and said, oh, here's the license plate of the vehicle, but they don't get the phone number of the witness. It's very important. If there's a witness at the scene, get the witness's phone number, get the witness's address, because sometimes their phone numbers get canceled. So it is very important to get any information you can of any witness. Hi, my name is Brian Orlow. Call me today for a free consultation.